Hello, you're welcome, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of Edge to generate voiceover. That is how to use it for AI voiceover generator, AI code, how to use Edge to generate code. Now, how to convert speech to text, and how to use Edge for AI business card, how to create flipbook creator using AI, and how to use our Edge to create an AI graphics, right? So now let us get started. AI voiceover generator. You can create a powerful voiceover with this sophisticated AI tool. And when you click on this, so you'll be taken right here where you can change your language, right? You can change to any language you want. And you have to choose a voice right here, any voice you want. Let me pick this, right? And you can as well adjust this, customer service, newscast, casual, let me use this, say as, you can just pick anyone you want. Then the volume, hit medium, speed, medium, not too fast, not fast. Now the pitch, I think I want it as let's say medium, right? And that's it. Now you have to enter your text here to synthesize, right? You enter your text right here, then you scroll down and click on synthesize, and you see the voiceover has been created. Now you can either click on this play button, right, to listen to the voiceover, or you come right here, you click on listen, and it's working already. Now you can pause it right here, and of course you can click here to download it. Let me click on it, and it has been downloaded already to my computer right here, right? And of course you can come right here. When you click here, it will play, right? You listen to it, right? And at the same time you can pause it again, and you can download it from here. And if you want to remove it completely from your account, you can click on this delete button and it will be removed, right? So that is it, and you have it on your computer. You can continue to generate as many voiceovers as you want. The next one now is how to use the AI code to generate different codes in different languages, right? Now let us do that. Come here, right, and we have AI code right here, right? You click on it, so you'll be taken right here, and here you can pick from any programming language, right? You can pick any programming language of your choice: Python, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, like that. But let me pick HTML. I have HTML. Now I can specify what kind of function or piece of code that I want to generate, right? Now I have to provide the instructions right here. So once you provide your instructions right here, you scroll down and you click on generate code. And as you can see, the code has been generated right here, right? So you have the code here, and you can copy it or you download it, right? You can come here to download a text file, or you copy the code, right? And you can also click here to copy it. You see code has been copied successfully, and that's it, right? So now let us go back again. The third one is speech to text, how to use Edge for speech to text. So this particular feature allows you to transcribe your audio files, and translate them to English, right? So now let's do that very quickly. So all you have to do here is very simple. You just have to click on this browse right here. You pick the voice file, then you click on open, right? You see it's here, right? And you come here, click on transcribe, and you see it has been transcribed successfully. You're welcome to today's edition of Shine Bright, like that. And what you have to do is you just select it, and copy it, right? You copy it, that's it. If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and do it and edit it. You want to bold these and all of that, right? So that's it. That's how to use our AI speech to text. So the next one now is AI business card. How do you generate a smart AI business card? And let's do that. So you come right here. This is AI business card. It's a sophisticated AI business card for your brand, right? So you click here. So you'll be taken right here, and you have to come here. You click on create card, and you fill out these, right? You input your card slot. So once you fill out the details, you come right here to create card. Click on create card. Your card has been created now, as you can see right here, but then you have to build it, design it, and make it look much more beautiful and amazing. So you have to click on build. So now here, setting up your smart cards, you have to pick one theme, right? Let me pick this. Now once you're done, you come to profile, right? You upload your profile image, then your banner image. You click on choose file, you open it, say it has been uploaded, right? And you go to contact, you update your contact. So once you're done editing your contacts, you move to product, right? And here you have to input the title of your product, right? You put the price, the cover image, and you enter the description of the product, the title, then the price. Then from there you upload your cover image, click open, then you input your description, your product description, and you scroll down, and right here enter a custom URL. And once you're done, you move again to gallery, and right here you let us know the content type, upload image or custom image URL or YouTube or Vimeo, anyone you want. Then let me pick upload image. You click on choose file, click on open, then you save card setup, right? And once you've done that, right, you have to come right here and click on the link, right, for you to access your smart card. Now when you click on it, your smart card will be displayed for you this way, right? And you can share it with anybody, right? You can of course add as many products as you want. Of course, you have your QR code which could be downloaded, right? And when you click on it, download my QR code, and you say it is downloading already. You see QR code has been downloaded. That's it. So that is it. Is this not beautiful? Come on, it is. Whoever has this will be able to contact you with your profile, right? They have, some of your products. They can click on it and they will be redirected to your website where they'll be able to purchase the product. This is amazing. This is beautiful, right? So that's it about smart card. So we also have the AI chatbot generator, which we need to actually explore, right? And you come right here, you click on chatbot generator, and you'll be taken to this interface, right, where you'll be able to enter any prompt right here, and it will work like Chat GPT for you. And of course, you can switch to any language. You can make use of any language of your choice when you click on this, right? And of course, you can make use of the voice reply when you activate it, and you can deactivate it. Now let us enter a particular prompt, and if I don't want to type right here, I can just make use of this button, this voice button, right? And when I speak, it will automatically input the prompt for me. Now let us do that. Please tell me how I can lose weight in a week. You see, and it will begin to work, it will begin to generate the content. So you see it's working already, and it has generated the content for me. And what you have to do right here you come right here to copy the text, and we click on it, the text has been copied. That's it. So once you copy it, you copy your content, you go back. So the next one now is the AI flipbook creator. Now, how do you do that? You come right here, you have the AI flipbook creator here, you click on it. Then you click on add book here. And right here, you input your book title. Once you upload your file, you click on submit. And once you're here, you click to flip book, and your flip book is ready. Now you have to navigate here. You click here to flip the book, you flip it, you flip through the pages, right? You flip, right? It keeps loading, you flip, you go back again, you flip, you flip, you flip, right? And that is it. So the last one here now is AI graphics. Now, how do you do that? You go right here, AI graphics, you click on it. Now, if you want to create from scratch, you can do that. But then we have a number of templates in our library, which you can, of course, clone and just design mind-blowing and beautiful graphics for yourself. Now, you click on template library. It loads and you see all the templates that we have. You can go to the next one right here, but then here you can just pick anyone. Let's pick these. It shows up and you can edit the content right here. You click on these, right, and you can come right here to delete these, and you can say right, and of course take it out. You click on this again, you can adjust the price, let's say 50, like that, and you come right here again, you can adjust this, something like like that, and once you're done, you can just save the content by clicking on this or download, or you can just right click with your mouse and you save image. So you just click on save and it is saved on your computer. This is amazing, right? So that is it. And you can make use of all other features that we have in this product. Thank you very much.